Hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. So you can see I got two amazing bass here. So one of them is Fang Leone and the another one is Phamtom Orion. So I guess this video was requested by one of you. So here we are. But I don't have a Takara Tomy Phantom Orion. So this is a Rapidity one and it's pretty okay quality. Not up to the Takara level but it's okay I guess. So for now I guess we have to use this particular one. So guys, this battle was requested by many of you, so that's why we're gonna do Chris versus Kyoya. So yes, that's the whole video is about. And one day guys, we'll get our Takara Tomy Phantom Orion, then we will revisit and redo the whole thing. So guys, before we battle, let's do a weight comparison. So yes, you noticed we got a new scale here. So I'm trying to get most of the tools to make a good quality content. So I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, a share, a comment or a subscribe. So let's do the weight. So Fang Leone is 45.67 grams. Now turn for Phantom Orion. Phantom Orion is 42.02 gram. So it's pretty much 3 to 4 grams difference. So I guess Fang Leone is gonna have that advantage. So guys, we got our stadium set up and now we are ready for the battle. So this is gonna be a 3-point battle obviously. So whoever earns 3 points first will be the winner. So first I'm gonna launch Fang Leone. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Now Phantom Orion. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh my god. So Fang Leone knocked Phantom Orion out of the stadium. So one win for Fang Leone and that's 1 point Fang Leone. Now we are ready for the round 2 and again I'm gonna launch Fang Leone first. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Now Phantom Orion. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let's see how this battle goes. I guess, oh my god. So guys, again Fang Leone was able to win. I guess those 3-4 grams extra weight is helping it a lot. So let's move on to the next round. If Fang Leone wins again, I think that's gonna be the end for Phantom Orion. But anyways, let's see how that goes. So guys, this time I'm gonna launch Phantom Orion first. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Now Fang Leone. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Both are looking good so far. And that's game over for Phantom Orion. So guys, I think this was a pretty short video. Even I wasn't expecting that 3-4 grams can do that much of a damage. But it is what it is. So guys, that was pretty much the bet. Fang Leone won all 3 matches. So I literally have nothing to say at this point. So I was expecting Fang Leone to win, but I was expecting Phantom Orion to win at least 1 or 2 matches. And Fang Leone wiped out the stadium with this guy. But maybe it could be because it's a Rapidity version. I'm not sure. So when we gonna get the real one, then we gonna do it again. But I highly doubt the results gonna be that different because it was a pretty clear win for Fang Leone according to me. So guys, that's pretty much for today. Let me know your thoughts in comment section and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.